A very good day, everyone. A brief introduction about myself. My name is Shareena and I am 9 years old studying in SK Seri Makmur, Sungai Besar, Selangor. I am here today to talk on the empowerment of unity and respect, how important they are in cultivating a bright future or what we call a Madani future for our country. Malaysia Madani is a concept introduced by the Malaysian government to promote a more progressive form of governance. The aim is to create a balanced and harmonious society by fostering unity, economic growth, and social justice. In the middle of these aspects lies the important core, which is unity. Malaysia is a multi-ethnic, multi-religious and multicultural nation. Fostering Malaysia Madani means celebrating diversity while emphasizing what unites the citizens. By respecting and understanding one another's tradition and beliefs, Malaysia can build stronger bonds and a sense of togetherness. So, ladies and gentlemen, how do we build and empower unity? Our country has people with different moral values, religion, and cultural background. Respect is the cornerstone of a harmonious and thriving multicultural country. Respect serves as the glue that binds community and fosters understanding. When people from different cultural, religion, and ethnic backgrounds come together. Respecting each other's belief, tradition, and value is essential. It promotes a sense of belonging for all citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, what makes communication effective? Being one of the most important quality, respect is also the key of effective communication and understanding. In a multicultural country, language and communication barriers can be challenging. However, when respect is present, people are more willing to listen and learn. In conclusion, empowering unity, respect is a fundamental necessity to build a Madani future for our country. It underpins peace, unity, effective communication, and the protection of individual rights. The concept of Malaysia Madani is a promising vision for all nation future. With a commitment to good governance and dedication, Malaysia can look forward to a bright and inclusive future. Thank you.